Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine and healthy. I am here to teach you English. In today's class, you will do some exercises which is related to grammar work. These exercises you have to do in your grammar copy. In all exercises, you have to complete the sentence with the help of infinitive. Okay, beta? So first of all, what is infinitive? You have to complete sentence with infinitive. So first of all, I would like to define what is infinitive. Infinitive is a grammar term which begins with the word to and is followed by the base form of verb, that is first form of verb, like to read, to swim, to write, and so on. These are the examples of infinitives. Now we may use infinitive in many ways. How? Look at here. We may use infinitive as the subject of a sentence. For example, to swim well is my ambition. To swim well is my ambition. In this sentence, to swim is infinitive. Okay, beta? And it is used here as a subject. Number 2, we may use infinitive as the object of a sentence. For example, I want to swim. To swim is infinitive. And here in this sentence, it is used as an objective. Number 3, it may use as the complement of a sentence. For example, a good way of keeping fit is to swim every day. Look at this sentence. To swim add the meaning of other parts of the sentence, other words of the sentence. That's why we say here we can use infinitive as the complement of sentence. A good way of keeping fit is to swim every day. Okay, beta? Now, one thing more I would like to say you. It may follow as an adjective. The book was easy to read. The book was easy to read. Easy is an adjective. To read is an infinitive. So, it very often follows an adjective you can see here in this example. Next example. The street was difficult to find. Look at this sentence. Difficult is an adjective. To find is infinitive. Next example. The food was good to eat. In this sentence, good is adjective and to eat is infinitive. I hope students you understood this with the help of these examples. What is infinitive and how will you use in these sentences? Now you can solve your exercise. So move towards the exercise. These exercises on page number 128. All students, look at the board. Exercise A. Question is, complete these sentences by adding an infinitive. Beta, there are 10 sentences which are incomplete and you have to complete these sentences by adding infinitive. First one I am going to solve. The tree was easy. You have to fill any infinitive infinitive to complete this sentence which is suitable for this sentence. The tree was easy to climb. Okay, beta? Let's move towards the next exercise. Exercise B. Question is, add infinitives and any other words to these nouns. It's meaning this sentence, you have to put infinitive here and any other words with this noun. First one I'm going to solve. It was a difficult question to solve on board. Okay, beta? Let's move towards the next exercise. Next exercise, exercise C. Question is, join these sentences together. How you will join these sentences? There are two sentences here. First part of this sentence, he is tired. Full stop, then he can't run any further. You have to join these two sentences. This one first and this one second sentence. You have to join these two sentences together. Now, I'm going to solve. He is too tired to run any further. Okay, beta? In this way, you have to join another sentences yourself. Now, next exercise. Exercise D. Question is, join these sentences together using enough. Now, there are two sentences. He was big. He could ride a bicycle. How will you solve this exercise? You have to add enough. So, he was big enough to ride a bicycle. You have added here enough and this is the infinitive. To ride is an infinitive. He was big. Join this sentence with enough to ride a bicycle. The remaining sentences you have to do yourself. Let's move towards the next exercise. Exercise E. Question is, join these sentences together using for. There are two sentences. You have to add these two sentences by using for. How you can do? I'm going to solve number 1. The light was bright enough for anyone to see. Okay, students? Do you catch my point? Okay. I hope you understood all exercises. These exercises are related to grammar work. That's why you will do all exercises in your grammar copy. Okay, beta? Thank you and Allah Hafiz.